This was the very last day. We were testing out the 2018 Hyundai Elantra Limited in the color Lakeside Blue. It's a 5-seater, 4-door sedan, which fit us perfectly. This was so much needed because we still had family who were visiting from Alaska. And of course, you guys know we were traveling back and forth so much since Darren left for the Army. It's a keyless entry vehicle, meaning you just need to have the key somewhere on you in order to unlock it, or you can press this button right on the door. It has gray on gray leather interior. The back seats are very comfortable and spacious. Now moving to the seats in the front, they are also very comfortable. They also have seat warmers. It has 2 ports for the 12-volt as well as a USB and an auxiliary cord. I found that this car was so great because it had Apple CarPlay, which is a lifesaver. It's also a push to start engine, and it also has dual controls for the heater as well as the air conditioner, which was much needed. One of my favorite things about the vehicle is that it has eco mode, which is an absolute must because it saves on gas, and with all the driving we did, it was an absolute lifesaver. This also has a sunroof, which you guys know is one of my favorite things about a vehicle. Taking you guys around to the back of the car, it has a very spacious trunk, which is a must in my opinion. Thank you so much to Hyundai USA for giving us the opportunity to test the car out for the week. It was very helpful. It definitely fit our lifestyle, and we were just grateful to have the opportunity to test it out. So Ian is leaving this evening. He's going back home to Alaska. Gonna miss Ian. It was great, you know, having Ian here for a few weeks. Him and Darren, they like grew up together basically. They're like brothers. Actually, Darren is 2 weeks older than Ian. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are here in Las Vegas. We're gonna be here for the next week. Really quickly, the car that we're currently test driving, and it's the car that got us here to Vegas. It's the 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's in the color pearl white, a 7-seater. We're gonna go grab like a quick breakfast at Baby Stacks. This is where we went last year with Nicole and Kathy. The food here is bomb. It's so good. We have red velvet pancakes, eggs and biscuits and eggs, or biscuits and gravy, and a Lola Ritz adobo fried rice burrito with sunny side up eggs. Probably the most unique and cutest sign I've ever seen. It looks like balloons, but they're actually just like molded. They're molded to look like balloons. So cute! For one night, we're gonna be staying here at the Pops Casino, which is pretty cool because we've never stayed at the Pops ever. Actually, it looks different from how I remember it to look, you know, a couple of years ago. Beautiful room. Got a mirror. Let me show you guys a quick outfit. Wow, this is a really nice shower. Vanity, good lighting. We're going to Kung Fu Tea because all the ladies want some tea, some boba, before we head down to Fremont. It's a taro with Oreo, boba, slush. We're actually heading down to Fremont Street for the Fremont Street experience. Down from Fremont Street, and this is called Container Park, which probably looks even better during the daytime. There's like a huge grasshopper up there. This is cool. It's all padlocks. Yeah, they're all like locks. Wow, that is so cool. And it's a heart. There's Ma. morning, you guys. Happy Friday. We are heading out. We're gonna actually go back to Auntie Mercy's house, have breakfast, get a change of clothes, and then we're gonna head out for the day. I think my eyes are looking super, really puffy, but I got a good night's rest last night.
Gotta mix it up with the feeling, cause I'm about to beat just sounds so familiar.
We are now at an outlet. We were supposed to go to Red Rock, but just because it was so like blazing hot and humid and windy, nobody really wanted to go check it out today. It's 9 o'clock, so we're here at, we're on the strip. We parked over here at Caesar's Palace. Christina, say hi. Christina's first time here in Vegas. Take some pictures, grab a drink. Tonight we definitely need to get a margarita and enjoy because it's Friday night. This whole vibe of Vegas, I don't know, I'm just all about it. It's beautiful tonight. Did you guys just catch that? So we were walking and somebody just said, "Stop vlogging," which completely cracks me up. Getting some work done, so I ended up getting a margarita from Fat Tuesday, but look at this, I even brought the lights. I put them here. We're literally like right in front of the Atlanta show. I mean, that's how extra we are. Angel, thank you for helping me. If you give me an alcoholic beverage, I cannot sit still, because if I do, that's when the alcohol really hits me. So we just watched the Bellagio water show. Within that 3-minute span, the alcohol literally hit me, and now I'm buzzing. I'm buzzing like crazy. And I had this like small drink. So, note to self, do not stay in one place when you intake alcohol. Vegas, it's beautiful here. My buzz is kind of going down a bit, but still pretty buzzed. When I'm walking, it feels like everything's kind of slanted. And we were walking downstairs earlier, down the stairs, and it felt like it was bouncing. So you know I'm buzzed. Good morning, Vegas. So happy Saturday, you guys. We're here, Seafood City, but we're at like a beach shopping. Lots of bacon. Good. Oh my gosh, I look horrible right now. Anyway. So we're gonna go have lunch at Seafood City. Picked up my mother-in-law's sister. Tita Concha. Hi. So that the whole fam's got food. I'm not sure where they purchased it, but Angel and Angel's got chicken joy with rice from Jollibee. Chicken joy with spaghetti. And of course, you need the chicken joy sauce. This is from Chowking. It's a halo halo. It has a little bit ice cream, leche flan. It has... It's really good. We are with the Anigas fam.
Are you vlogging too?
Yes.
Hi.
Say hi, Dylan. There's Malia.
Hi guys.
Wait a second. Yeah, for a second I was thinking you were Emily.
Oh yeah, that's Emily.
Yeah.
No, because of the pigtails.
You know why? It's because you guys are both wearing glasses. That's why. Kobe, who wasn't very happy in the car. Yeah. Going to Brew Tea-Bar.
Right, is what we do.
Yes. Thank you.
So it's okay. So we got the Nutella crepe with bananas and strawberries for the kids, matcha tea, and Thai tea with mocha.
I don't know what. Matcha, Thai.
Yeah.
Are they both matcha?
Yeah,
okay.
I think this one's wine. Like I got a number 3 on the sweet.
My magic trick's this.
Stop, guys.
What?
Oh my goodness.
This is
Alright, that's enough.
Dylan is so funny.
Water's gonna disappear.
Thank you so much, Nicole.
Oh my god, thank you for
I'm glad.
treating us.
Let it go.
I'll see you again.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get you back.
Stop.
Cherish these moments, Nicole. Good morning, Scarlett. She is such a good dog. Huh? He's so sweet. We need to get a dog. Actually, we've been wanting a dog for years, but I think I've told you guys my mom is she's scared of dogs, even if it's a very, very tiny one. Oh, you're so cute. You're such a good girl. It's not here in Vegas, but we're at a massage place, so we're gonna get a massage. Haven't had like a professional massage in a very long time. That was super relaxing. There was just a bit of miscommunication. So we had the hot stone, but we didn't have the actual like whole entire massage. I think it was like 37. Sunday evening, so we're here at the Santa Fe Hotel and Casino. We're gonna go have dinner at Santa Fe.